Hi, my name's Randy Labaza. Let's walk through creating an affine decode cipher. The affine cipher is one where the calculator comes in handy because of the calculations necessary to solve it. A good quote length for affine is about 25 characters. Got a quote here from Sherry Yard. And next we will pick the value for A. The value for A must be such that it is coprime with 26. Using the selector will ensure that we get a correct value. Using a larger value for A makes the problem only marginally harder. Finally, we'll pick a value for B. Really, any value will do without any impact on the difficulty. I usually pick something where the ciphertext pattern may be a little bit interesting. Of course, keeping it clear of anything inadvertently inappropriate sometimes shows up. So this looks good. Now, students are given A and B in the question and will solve this cipher by encoding the alphabet and finding what the cipher characters map to. So we'll set the question text with the Suggest Question button. This looks good. And finally, we'll set the point value by using the Suggest Points button. And that looks good. Now we will save it and we can move on to the next question. That's how you create an affine cipher problem. Here's an interesting, fun challenge. There are a single value for both A and B, which makes the affine encoding equivalent to the @bash cipher. Go to tobis.com/codebusters, create an affine problem, and see if you can find that value. Happy code bustering.